guys, welcome to my first ever video. Okay, I'm not gonna get too hyped up, but I'm gonna be showing y'all my Fidgets. This video is only gonna be 3 minutes long because my storage horrible. But I just want to get onto my Fidgets here. This might not be a Fidget account. This just might be a random account. I might be playing the cave. Search that up if you don't know what it is. GTA, Minecraft, pranks, anything. But I'm not gonna respond to comments. I will look at the comments, and there would be this one video that every question you all ask, I'm gonna make a video of me responding, or yeah. So if you don't, but if there's a lot of one comment, I'm not gonna say the name because I don't want to be mean and say one person's name but not the other that said that comment. But yeah. So first is this water snake, Slinky, this stuff, these two squishies, homemade squishy. This fuzzy thing, I don't know, Neato. Pop it! Favorite. Homemade water bottle squishy, real squishy. Homemade Pop-It from when I did not have a real Pop-It, don't worry. There's another squishy. More of those squishies that I found, that I showed you. This thing my aunt sewed. This to open and close, I was like, we're not going to bring out what I was when I mean. This thing, homemade Pop-It. Okay. This thing my aunt also sewed. Don't ask. Why is this even in here? This ain't no fidget. This snaky thingamajiggy I made. Nintendo thing. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Mochis. Some foam play stuff. This Bloxy Mujgabashka. Glitter, a zipper, pea popper, this magnet stuff, another mochi, just me, and then all those. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. It's gonna stop by itself because I have it set for a time. But yeah, it's a little more than 3 minutes. But I'm gonna just let it stop whenever it stops. Don't ask. I just think it's a good fidget because it has a rolly, has buttons. I don't know. Don't ask. Each half of the country doesn't communicate with the other. I love these. But yeah, love y'all. Bye. Please follow and like. I know nobody's gonna see it, but like, I don't care. I do though. I don't though. Oh, you stay here. Hey. Okay. Exactly what ratifies and validates their prior opinions. And so no one really engages with it. Bye, but just bye. We have to study that and think as a country what we want to do. And I think we have to do certain things to make people engage with each other. I do think that there's an opportunity to almost say that there's homemade marble in there. America, that there's almost a need for America 2.0. And what would be those ideas if you said chapter 1 had a lot of good stuff in it in the first 250 years, but what do you need in order for kind of the second volume to be great? Why do you need a stair? What are you doing still here? I thought this video was supposed to end 2 hours ago. Throw out everything and start from scratch, and I just want to like put a new tablecloth. Why are you still here? Stop, go away. I think America has a lot of capacity to adapt. And we have adapted. Another New Yorker, AOC.